Hello kids, welcome to Woku Online Kids TV. Today we learn shape name. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Shape name hexagon. Shape name hexagon. Shape name hexagon. Next shape heptagon. Shape name heptagon. Shape name heptagon. Next shape octagon. Shape name octagon. Shape name octagon. Next shape star. Shape name star. Shape name star. Next shape heart. Shape name heart. Next shape cross. Shape name cross. Shape name cross. Shape name cross. Shape name cross. Colors brown color, green color, blue color, sky blue color, orange color, purple color, parrot color, grey color, red color, pink color and yellow color. Shape name hexagon. Shape name hexagon. Shape name hexagon. Shape name heptagon. Shape name heptagon. Shape name octagon. Shape name octagon. Shape name star. Shape name star. Shape name heart. Shape name heart. Shape name cross. Shape name cross. Let's revise. Shape name hexagon, heptagon, octagon, star, heart and cross. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.